This whole thing must weigh 1,000 pounds.
Just under it, yeah.
Got lights in the front. Sturdy tires. Oh, it's a Honda.
Good morning, everybody. This is Chris from Chris and Cami Photography, and today we begin stage 2 of the TransAmerica Trail. Woohoo! We're so excited. I hope you've been enjoying stage 1's videos. We're going to go ride stage 2 and then, of course, come back and edit those for you. But today's a beautiful day out, and I am swinging by Jason's house. You guys remember Jason from Docent Prodigy, my compatriot, and he is going to ride with me. Ah, check it out. He's getting photos of his. Hi.
What's up? What's up, brother? Oh, I'm over here getting a few shots of the bike before we take off. Nice. Yeah. Good for you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm almost ready to go.
Hey, I like your shirt.
Thank you. We got the Moto Photo Adventures on this side, and we got the Dr. Seuss philosophy of fun on the other side.
Love it.
Right. You ready?
I'm ready.
Sweet.
So let me see. What did you? This is your new quad lock, huh?
That's the quad lock. Yep. So what do you do? So we unlock it here.
Ready for another big day?
I think so.
Back on the trail.
How about you?
Yeah, I'm excited, man.
Today's going to be just long, straight.
Long, boring
Meeting
day.
up with Steve in Columbia.
Okay.
Right, for lunch. Is that
Yes,
right? What was
yes.
the name of the place?
Yeah, so he's coming down from Florence. We're riding up from Charleston, South Carolina, and we'll meet
Right,
in
right.
Columbia at Maurice's Barbecue.
Maurice's Barbecue. Okay.
You like barbecue?
I like barbecue.
It's some of the best.
And that's what they say, and that's Maurice's says anyway. We've hit a couple of good barbecue places on the first route, so it would be fun to hit a couple of
Remember
places.
Gary's Barbecue? That
I
was
do.
awesome.
Where Steve got a barbecue salad.
I want the barbecue
Let me order real
salad.
quick.
I know.
He tries.
That's good. That's
salad.
good.
I mean, okay.
All right, so after we leave Maurice's Barbecue, then it's on up to Tennessee, where we're meeting up with your buddy from
Britt Barnes from Fortune and Fire.
Fortune and
So we'll see his blacksmith shop
Awesome. Yep. You ready to hit the road?
as soon as I buckle up.
Let's do it. Barbecue.
Is that us?
Is this?
Okay. Oh yeah.
Look at that. World's best barbecue.
Yeah, Erica said we've been here. I remember. Park in the shade.
Absolutely.
Get over.
I can't see you, Steve. That orange shirt just doesn't stand out.
What's up? This looks like something from Dr. Seuss sticking on top of your hat too. You already ordered?
Not yet.
What's happening? Let me look at it for a second.
I know what I want.
Go ahead, Dan.
Big Joe Pork, baby.
Look back down there again.
It's going. It's recording. Steve, can you just ride circles around us?
Yeah, I can do that. I have that skill set.
Kind of like what they did in the Matrix.
Yes. All right, I zoomed in. I'll get some tighter shots of you guys. I'll wait till this car goes by. All right, here we go.
How's my hair look?
So, incredible.
That's better than mine.
At least you have hair.
Oh, doggone it, I think I blinked.
Perfect.
My director, Jason, wants to make sure we record interesting stuff like this, so let me explain on camera.
There you go.
Steve, go ahead and ask the question one more time.
Am I supposed to say something here?
Ask her why her tire's fatter.
So, Chris, how come your back tire is fatter than Jason's?
Ah, well, so my tire is a 170 width, and it's a 170/60 R17, And Jason's is a 150 60, I think, R17. My bike, the original tire is actually a 160 width, but this particular manufacturer doesn't make a 160. I either have to get a narrower tire, which is 150, or a wider tire, which is 170. They both work. They both fit the rim just as easily. And in fact, the narrower tire is, in theory, a much better performing tire. It's less mass for the engine to have to pull around, so therefore you get a little more pep. And it's actually better off-road as well, because it can dig down quicker through the soft sand at the top and get to the hard stuff at the bottom, so it can grip that. However, I just happen to like the looks of a wider tire. I don't know what it is, so I went with the wider one. Jason has the narrower one.
Why did you guys decide on the Continental?
Well, for me, it was a balance between what we were about to do on stage 2, which is 80-90% off-road, and the cost. It was a middle-of-the-road cost, but a higher-than-average performance. So after tedious amount of research, that's the one that I went with.
I loved my Shinko 705s. They're, I think, probably the best value tire for a adventure bike of this size, of a smaller stature like this one. But the amount of dirt we're doing coming up, I just, like Jason said, I needed a knobbier tire, and the TKC 80 just fits the bill as far as good cost, great performance, great reviews, and good all-around tire.
Oh, a tunnel!
A tunnel!
Get your asses up here!
I'm recording it, Jason. You're good.
Go.
And the light at the end of the tunnel. Well, here we thought we were going to have a long, straight, boring I-26, and all of a sudden we turned into a beautiful, twisty road. How about that?
How about that?
Hey, Tennessee! Boy, it's cooled off nice.
Yeah, dude. Look at that dark sky.
Looks like it rolled through here and we missed it.
I'm going to go with that. I think that's a good story.
I like it.
Welcome to East Tennessee. Back roads. No shoulder. You go off the road, you in a ditch.
Well, we made it to Newport, Tennessee, guys. That was some really cool riding there at the very end. Hey, Jason, what are we doing here?
We are at Brent Barnes's blacksmith shop.
All right.
And we are going to stay here for the evening so that we can start our second leg in the morning
Of the TransAmerica Trail.
of the TransAmerica
Now,
Trail.
now, why are we meeting Britt?
Because he made me this. He's the winner of Forged in Fire. If you watched any of our previous episodes, we have talked about this. And so we're going to go meet the guy who has forged this for me personally.
Ooh, pull that out again.
Yes, sir.
That's nice.
All right. So we're going to go see and talk to him at his shop and see how he does this and show us where we're going to sleep.
Cool. Yeah. Thanks for following along for today's episode. This is part 2 of the TransAmerica Trail, and we are just getting started.